Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to update your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you're going to go into the settings icon. Here you'll scroll down to the system update option. Let's look for it here. Here it is. We're going to click on it. We'll click on this option and now it will search for available updates. If there were any update available, the download option would show up here, so you could do it. Just a reminder, your phone needs to have at least 20% battery to be able to download the update. In my case, I have 11%, so if there were any update, it wouldn't let me download it because you need to have at least 20% battery. Just to be clear, if you're waiting for an important update, it's normal if it hasn't reached you yet. Sometimes it hasn't been released in your country yet, or your phone is just running a bit behind. It's normal for the update to arrive on your phone 2 or 3 weeks late sometimes. So you'll just have to wait. Be patient. Another thing, this phone, like all phones these days, will eventually stop receiving updates, okay? That'll happen in a few years. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did help, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel for more videos.